Hello everybody! Today I want to show you how to make a screen record with audio on your iPhone 13. The first thing we must do is to go to the settings and to open the control center. When we are in the control center, you can see that there are already included controls like flashlight, timer, calculator and camera. And if you want to look how it looks like, just swipe from the red top corner a little bit down and you can see here this different options. So now at this moment we must go again to the control center, and you can see we are here a little bit more, some more controls. We have accessibility shortcuts, we have alarm, we have a dark mode and so on and so forth. But we also have a screen recording button. So I just press the plus and then you can see included controls now includes this screen recording. So when I go now again into my control center again, then you can see the app for the screen recording is active now. But the most the common error that most people make if they want to start with the screen recording, they just press the button and then it counts on 3, 2, 1 and then it starts recording. But this recording is without a sound, because normally the iPhone starts recording always without sound. So if I stop the recording now and would open this recording, then you won't hear anything because it has recorded without turning the microphone on. And to turn the microphone on, it's pretty easy. What you must do, again, we go here to the app, but now at this moment we don't press shortly on the button, but we keep our fingers on it, and then you can see the microphone is off and I want to turn my microphone on. And when it's on, then I press on start recording, again 3, 2, 1, and it starts recording, and now it will also record my voice. So I can now press on stop, and then we'll see this one, and now you can hear that it also has recorded my voice. So if you want to do it without the voice, just press it short, and if you want to have your voice within this screen recording, just put this microphone on. So it's pretty easy. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. We'll see us the next time. Until then, bye bye.